Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft 365 plan includes Excel Copilot or the AI feature. Sign in and confirm feature toggles. Once done, open the workbook you want to analyze and tidy headers and data types so the model reads them correctly. Make a backup copy before running transformations. Then, import external data using data get and transform if needed, and load it into a new sheet. This avoids accidental edits and ensures the AI operates on predictable, structured input. You now select the table or range you want the AI to act on, because explicit selection narrows context and reduces errors. Next, open the Copilot pane and type a clear prompt. Describe the calculation, pivot, chart, or transformation you want and the desired output format. Make sure to specify columns, filters, or aggregation to avoid ambiguity. Review the AI preview, tweak the prompt or parameters, and iterate until the output matches your expectation. This back and forth refines accuracy, and you finish by validating AI outputs. Run quick spot checks, compare with formulas or a pivot to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, paste values to lock results or export the sheet and save a version copy. Also record the exact prompts used for future runs. If something goes wrong, first revert to your backup, then clear Excel cache, reselect the data range, and simplify the prompt to isolate the issue. If errors persist, check for inconsistent data types or hidden rows and repeat the AI step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.